Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing interconversion of units, and we will doing hours and minutes interconversion. So let's see how you go about that. Before you begin conversion, you will have to memorize the relationship first. You will have to memorize that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour first of all. Second thing are these two terms that you have to get familiar with. B stands for big, S stands for small, and M and D are for multiplication and division respectively. I made up these terms for students for to just to help them memorize when do they have to multiply and when do they have to divide, just to make it easier for them. So let's take our first example. We are learning how many minutes are there in 3 hours. Hours is a bigger unit as compared to minutes. We are going from bigger to smaller, so we will be multiplying the relation which is 60, the given number which is 3, and 3 times 60 makes it 180. So there are 180 minutes in 3 hours. Let's take one more example. Now you want to see how many minutes will be in 2.5 hours. Once again, you're going from bigger to smaller, so you'll be multiplying with our given relation which is 60, the number which is 2.5. Okay, the way you multiply them is simply up to you. I'll be writing them like this. After multiplication, I'll be getting 1500. Since you have 1 point after one number, so you'll have point over here. So your answer becomes 150 minutes are there in 2.5 hours. Let's take it the other way, conversion from minutes to hours this time. Now we are learning how to convert minutes into hours. Minutes is a smaller unit as compared to hours, so we're going from smaller to bigger units, so you'll be dividing actually. So we'll be dividing with the relation which is 60. Let's write it over here. The given number which is 1800 will be written over here. Once again, the way you divide is totally up to you. I'm writing it like this. Can see 0 and 0 is like this, 6 1s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. 0 comes along, so your answer becomes 30 hours are in 1800 minutes. Let's take one more example. Now this time I have 210 minutes. I have to convert this into hours. We are going from smaller to bigger units, so we'll be dividing. So let's write division first. The relationship 60 comes over here. We'll divide this number 60, and over here we'll write the given question which is 210. So I'm dividing them like this. 210 upon 60, 0 gets cancelled with the 0, and then 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21. We're getting 7 upon 2, which further after division gives me 3.5. So my answer becomes 3.5 hours. So this is how you're going to do it. I hope these videos are helpful for you and you are learning a lot from these. I'll be making more on next topics too. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.